Fairyland is a new card kit from our friends at Hunkydory. Now this is called the Designer Deco Large. Now that means that they're going to be die cuts that you stack on top of each other following the imagery. Let me show you what that means. There is the idea sheet, the inspiration right here, and that's beautiful. And let me show you how it works. For every sheet like this, you're going to have a sheet like this. And this has the finished imagery. And then over here in this piece, you'll see there's a large one that mirrors the imagery that's here. The idea is that it's paper towel style. That means you pop this out, put foam tape under it, and lay it on top of this. Then you go to the next largest, this one, do the same thing, foam tape, put it on top so that you can stack it. Now here's a tip. You can use this for one, but you know, you could decide to use this for another and maybe put this one on top and maybe just put this one on top of here and kind of mix and match so that you get more than one out of each single piece. Yes, you can do that. It's perfectly legal. And you can see the corner imagery, you can see the borders, as well as the messages with lots of love on your birthday. May all your hopes and dreams come true. Just really, really pretty, as you can see there. Now, in addition to that, you will have the adorable scoreable, and there's the sheet that matches this particular one. So you can use that also. So let's go through this. You're going to get 12 base pieces, which is what these are called, and 12 of the die cut sheets. All of them are foiled. Of course, that's what we expect from Hunkydory. Now, here is another one. Very pretty. I think we'll get in closer on these. Thank you, Steve. And just so that you can really get a close look at that imagery, let me take you back to the first one and show you that. There you go. Really, really pretty. Realistic, but yet fanciful. And so again, same idea. This is your base card. And here are all the die cuts that you can put on top that is echoing those same imagery. And then there is the adorable scoreable. So you can see that, just really, really nice. It is not foiled, although all the die cuts are. Look at that. Talk about a fairy garden. Really, really pretty. Again, you've got the borders, you've got the greetings, and here are the pieces that you pop out and foam tape on top. And here is the adorable scoreable, right there. Now, here's another one, big, large fairy, and there she is. So you can use that. And there is the adorable scoreable. There are two little ones, very pretty. Sometimes fairies are little girls, sometimes they're older. These seem to be older. And there you go. It's very different, incorporating artwork with the realistic looking faces. Just really nice. Very different, very fairy-like, as you would notice. And there's the adorable scoreable. As I said, there are 12 sheets. So you can see all of them here, and it's nice to be able to really take a peek at each one. There you go. And all of those pieces, and they really just pop out so easily, as you can see what's going on there. This is a kit that is exclusive to Paper Wishes because it is a different set than what's available at in England, where Hunkydory is located. We're getting down to the end now. You can see there's the adorable scoreable, and one more. And there are more things that go with this set. Okay, and then we've got strawberries. Wouldn't be good without having those at the end. Okay, so this is the complete listing of the Fairyland. However, there's more to match. And here is what is one of them. This is a 4 1/8 by 5 7/8 inches. There are 144 sheets, and you're going to get 6 of each one. So you get variety of them. Of course, the artwork is going to match exactly what's been on the topper sheet. So you can see we've got ladybugs and mushrooms and little girls. So artwork that is in the toppers, but this you get it whole. And there's some additional ones too, so I think that's really nice. Now, included, as I said, there's 24, so I'm going to be flipping through here pretty quickly, and I may be missing some of them, but you get the idea. So they all are in the same format, the same theme. I think the size is really nice because it's a good size for card making. It's also a good size if you want to pop these onto a scrapbook page, or if you want to make your planner or an album. There's just a lot that you can do with them. You can also cut these out and lay them on top of each other, just like you will do with the card kit. So that's another option. So there are many more designs than were in the toppers as I'm seeing these. Some of them are the same, like that one and that one, but some are also different. This is a padded tablet, and so they are going to just pop right out, as you can see them popping right out. So you can see the poppies there. And now, like I said, I may have missed some because I'm just thumbing through here pretty quickly, but you get the idea. And I think we're at the very end. Okay, 144 sheets, 24 designs. You're getting 6 of each one. One more thing to share with you, and it is this. It is a fairy tale book. And this is a complete die cut set. Whoops, there's my item number. And you can see that you make the book. You can create pages and actually frames for the front. Got some decorative pieces. Just really, really nice. And that's going to be great to see. So all of this with the Fairyland collection from our friends at Hunkydory.